How to remove bank account in QuickBooks. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove bank accounts in QuickBooks. And here is how to go about it. The first step is signing into your QuickBooks account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you're brought to the home page where you'll see your company name, the logo, home, cash flow, etc. And then by the left side of the screen, you can see other options such as the new button, the bank transactions option, dashboard, transactions, sales, expenses, etc. Just go ahead and move to transactions. Under the transactions option, click on bank transactions. Okay, so after clicking on bank transactions, you'll be directed to the bank transactions page. On this page, you'll see all of the transactions you've made. And the next step is to select the bank account you want to remove. All right, or select the transaction containing the bank account you want to remove. After selecting the transaction, by the right side of the screen, you will see the edit account info icon. Just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, you can see other options as well. Then check the disconnect this account on save checkbox. All right, there will be some checkboxes. Just ensure you see the disconnect this account on save checkbox. Just check it, and then once you're done, click on save and close, and then just like that, that particular account would be removed from your QuickBooks account. Okay, it's very simple. Just navigate to your transactions page, bank transaction, select the transaction containing the bank account that you would like to remove. Select the bank account. After selecting the bank account, click on the edit account info icon, and on the page you'll see some checkboxes. Ensure you check the disconnect this account on save, and then just like that, the account would be removed from your QuickBooks account. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.